means the introduction of the bill itself is lacking bona fides. The bill is lacking bona fides. That is why I would like to say that this is with a malafide intention to destabilize the opposition ruled states in various parts of the country. Number one.
एक मिनट माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, प्रेमचंद्रन जी कह रहे हैं कि जल्दबाजी में लाया गया। इसका सवाल इसलिए नहीं उठता कि मैं इस बिल को संयुक्त समिति को सौंपने की दरखास्त करने वाला हूं। इस पर संयुक्त समिति जो राज्यसभा और लोकसभा पक्ष और विपक्ष सभी सांसदों की बनेगी, जो इस पर विचार करेगी और आपके सामने लेकर आएगी।
Sir, I do agree with the Honorable Minister, but at the same time, the members are having the right to oppose the bill at the time of introduction. This is the legitimate constitutional right of each and every member to oppose the bill at the time of introduction of the bill. That is being contained to say. And the second one is that this calling.
Sir, I rise to oppose the introduction of the Constitution Amendment Bill 25, the Government of Union Territory. Sir, this bill is to sabotage the federal system of this country. This bill is to sabotage the basic principle of the constitution of this country. Sir, BJP people are telling this bill is to bring morality in politics. Can I ask a question to the Honorable Home Minister? When he was the Home Minister of Gujarat, he had been arrested, sir. Whether he took the morality of that point of time,
अब मुझे सुनो जरा, मुझे सुनो ना, पहले बैठ जाओ। माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं रिकॉर्ड क्लियर करना चाहता हूं। मुझ पर झूठे आरोप लगाए तब अरेस्ट होने के पहले मैंने नैतिकता के मूल्यों का हवाला देकर इस्तीफा भी दिया, और जब